The ultimate premium city view right from your room in Dubai. Stunning views of Sheikh Zayed Road. A cozy outdoor pool in the heart of the desert. How's the club lounge breakfast? Can you easily reach it by Dubai Metro?
Hi, I'm TriPapa, a travel enthusiast and proud father of 3. Discover family-friendly spots and tips of making the most of your travels. Join me, let's explore together.
Welcome to TriPapa's channel, and Assalamu Alaikum, which means peace be upon you in Arabic. Dubai, a truly magical city in the desert, and transformed itself into one of the world's most iconic destinations for both tourists and business travelers. And today, I'm unboxing one of its most impressive hotels. After landing in Dubai airport, I headed straight to my hotel for this stay, an IHG hotel, Voco Dubai. Before revealing the full hotel room experience, the club lounge, and all the facilities, as always, let me quickly walk you through how I got here. Previously, I was in Manila, Philippines. I visited 3 airport lounges at Manila Terminal 1 in one go. PAGSS Lounge, the A Lounge, and the brand new Philippine Airlines Mabuhay Flagship Lounge. Then I boarded an impressive 11-hour business class journey on their ultra space-saving lie-flat seats in their A330-300. For all the flight details, check the link below. Back to Dubai. I arrived at Dubai airport at around 1 a.m. Unfortunately, the metro had already closed for the night, so a taxi was the only option. Approximately a 15-minute ride from the airport only, but at nearly $30 charges. It's quite a sting on the wallet, worth keeping in mind for late-night arrivals. Welcome to Voco Dubai. The lobby design is stylish and modern, as with a buzzing energy even at 2:30 a.m. With a nightclub on the top floor, keeping things lively during the midnight. Dubai never really sleeps. Upon reaching the hotel, the staff were immediately on hand to assist with my luggage, and it was delivered directly to my room, a genuinely thoughtful touch that I really appreciated. Now let's head straight up to my room, on the 43rd floor. I booked a deluxe room and was pleasantly surprised to receive an upgrade to the high floor room with Dubai City View. Let's check it out. Here we are, 4308, the deluxe king room. So it's a living area, the bathroom area. Alright, I'm currently at the Voco Dubai. Let's unbox the room, 4308. Come on in. So firstly, they got a space here, especially this is a connected room. So they got a quite good space right here. And as usual, let's check out the view first. And let's say the club room is facing the famous Sheikh Zayed Road. I believe that's the famous one. Oh, in the morning should be very beautiful. We'll take a look at it later. So the room is actually quite large. Like a lunch chair right here, small table and a chair. Welcome snacks, some chocolates and macaron. Also a huge phone right here. And I got a king size bed, quite nice. But the color, everything looks a little bit dated. And Voco is famous for their bird kind of a concept. The TV is right here with a Samsung. And here got a big mirror. It's here for luggage. And the chair right here. There are some drawers, mini fridge, nothing inside. And there's a deluxe room, got a coffee machine. Alright, with some capsules. And 2 bottles of complimentary water. And some tea bags. I think it's a chocolate milk. Quite nice. This is the welcome snacks they provide when I check in. Alright, let's take a look at the bathroom. For premium hotel, usually they got also the premium view, even for the bathroom. So they got quite big independent bathtub, the rain shower, the hand shower, also with this kind of a massage shower. The amenity they're using antipodes. Some of the Crowne Plaza also use this brand. Quite nice view right there, fancy. Some towels and a huge sink here, also with the same brand amenity. Let's see what they got. The towels and some kind of a vento kit, shower cap, razor, toothbrush. That's it. Some towels, and they didn't put a hairdryer here. The bay and also the toilet. Okay. Let's see what's inside the drawer. Nothing. Got a clock over there. They are using the kind of button to control. Little bit not fashion, but it's okay. It's very late. It's 2:30 a.m. But actually at the lobby it's still very crowded. Many people here go here and there. Dubai is a really amazing city. People don't need to sleep. Okay, let's look at the wardrobe. There's no light inside, so they got few hangers in this view if it comes many people. And the slippers, iron board with iron, that's good. Since this is a business trip, I really need that. And the safe. Here's the hair dryer with a Roomwell brand. Laundry bag. And that's it. This is my second Voco hotel. Last time it was in Voco Reading, and the room was great, but just the service last time wasn't quite ideal. But overall, still very good. And I will take a look at this Voco because it's in the Fashion Road in Dubai, and I'm really looking forward to see the morning view. All right, tomorrow morning I will have breakfast in the club lounge, and I will take a look at the facilities here. I will see you tomorrow.
Time for a well-deserved rest, drawing the curtains, and good night, Dubai. Good morning from Voco Dubai. I honestly couldn't wait to pull those curtains open and reveal that signature Dubai skyline from the 43rd floor. Wow! Waking up to this view is nothing short of spectacular. Whether you're here for leisure or working remotely, this vantage point over Sheikh Zayed Road genuinely makes you feel like you're on top of the world. Absolutely premium. Now, before we head to breakfast, let me share the main reason I specifically chose the Voco Dubai for this stay. Of course, the club lounge facility. The club lounge access is typically reserved for the Intercontinental and Crowne Plaza brands within the IHG family. So having this facility available, even ag Voco property. Let's head one floor down to the 42nd floor and check it out. The lounge itself is a cozy and intimate space, offering an even wider panoramic view than the guest rooms. I had my breakfast here in the lounge, a compact buffet offering a thoughtful mix of Arabic and international cuisines. The quality is good overall, but not exceptional. My honest rating, it's 6.5 out of 10. To be fair, my benchmark may be set unusually high. My previous stay was at the Crowne Plaza Riyadh RDC in Saudi Arabia, which delivered one of the finest club lounge experiences I've encountered anywhere. If you're curious about that one, check the link below. One thing to note, the lounge was noticeably busy throughout breakfast. The Voco Dubai is clearly a very popular choice among tourists, so arriving early is a smart move to secure the best seats. Freshly cooked egg dishes are available on request. Always a welcome touch at this level of hotel. Alright, after the lounge tour, let's explore the rest of the hotel facilities. Kids club at the 5th floor and also the pool and gym at 7th floor. Take a look.
The kids club is located on the 5th floor. It's a compact space and wasn't open during my visit. It may operate on a request basis. Best suited for toddlers under 3 years old. Now let's head up to the 7th floor for the gym and swimming pool, accessed via a short walk through a connecting corridor. The gym is modest in size but well equipped, and there was a decent crowd inside during my visit. There's also a small gear shop nearby in case you've forgotten any pool essentials. The outdoor pool is more of a fun, splashing and relaxing space than a serious lap swimming pool. But in a desert city like Dubai, that's honestly all you need. It was surprisingly packed even at noontime.
So this is a Voco hotel look from the outside. It's pretty tall building. I stayed at the 43rd floor, somewhere near there. And there's a rooftop bar. I think it's quite a famous one. When I checked in yesterday, 2:30, still many people walking in and out. And there's a nearby metro station. It's right there. I think the walking distance is maybe like 5-6 minutes. Not too bad. It's already November, still pretty hot. In the morning it's like maybe 30 degrees. On the other side, the Museum of the Future, quite a tourist spot. If you want something good price, pick a KFC right here and some other small stores.
Now, an important practical tip for anyone visiting Dubai. Taking taxis everywhere can get very expensive. Most savvy travelers opt for the Dubai Metro instead. The nearest station to Voco Dubai is the World Trade Center station. And let me walk you through the journey in between the station and Voco Dubai. The Metro payment card is called the Knoll card. This is the first step for your Metro journey.
It's only valid for 5 years. It's expired, so I need to purchase a new car and put the money into the new one.
Let's start the walk from the station to the hotel now. Inside the station, everything is pleasant. Great air conditioning, smooth flat walkways, easy to navigate. But the real challenge begins the moment you step outside through that door. Dubai's summer temperatures can reach 50 degrees Celsius, and even in winter, it can still hit 35 degrees Celsius. Brace yourself for a 5-minute outdoor walk with absolutely zero shade coverage. And here's something that perfectly illustrates just how intense the heat is. Even the bus stops here are air conditioned. Oh, the bus stop got the air conditioning. Really cannot stand outside if it's summer. Traveling with heavy luggage adds another layer of challenge. The pavement isn't perfectly level, and the ramp surfaces aren't designed for rolling heavy suitcases. But after all those little adventures, we've made it to the hotel with welcoming air conditioning. By the way, Voco Dubai has shuttle services to Kite Beach and Outlet Mall. Pretty nice feature for tourist visit. There's also a lovely lobby lounge area perfect for meeting clients or enjoying a quiet coffee with friends and families. This is the back side of the hotel. Nothing here, no need to come. Maybe some shops over there. And there's a Hertz rental just right behind the hotel. Alright, let's talk about the summary of my stay in the Voco Dubai. The location is actually quite near to the World Trade Center metro station. Approximately 5 minutes walk. So the indoor side got the air conditioning, there's a bridge, quite comfortable.
and it's very flat for you to walk. However, for outside, if you bring heavy luggage, it probably a little bit trouble. Right now it's in November, it's not super hot, it's like 30 degrees. But you can imagine if in the summer, like June or July, it probably will be super hot, like 40-50 degrees. So you probably need to think about if you need to walk and with a heavy luggage or not. Furthermore, for the room, I got a club room. It's actually quite spacious and a very comfortable bed and a huge bathroom. However, the hotel, the design, they got a lot of wood tones, so it's a little bit kind of old style maybe. The maintenance has a room to improve. I even got hurt when walking around because there's a wood is coming off from the bed. But it's minor things, it doesn't matter. I also walk around the hotel, so they got a KFC and some small shops nearby. So if you want to grab some food, it's also quite easy here. For facilities, for a club lounge, I can say it's a nice lounge. But it couldn't be great because it's super busy, so many people over there. And the staff is working hard, but still cannot take care of everyone. And the food quality is just standard, nothing spectacular. And they also got a gym, it looks quite nice. And they got a pool. I probably cannot say swimming pool because you probably cannot swim inside. It's not so big and so many people relax over there. It's also not so comfortable for swimming. It's more like playing in the water with a kid, enjoy the casual vibe in the Dubai, something like that. This hotel got so many good restaurants and also the nightclubs. It's pretty busy even at night when I check in like at 2:30 a.m. There's so many people walking and walk out. This is probably a very good location for the Dubai nightlife and also probably for business as well. Alright, so that's all for the hotel report for Voco Dubai today. See you next time.
Will you be considering the Voco Dubai for your next trip? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. In my next video, I will take One World member, Sri Lankan Airlines, from Dubai to Colombo in business class. Visited super busy Alan Lounge at Dubai Airport T1. Onboard kind old-style business class seat on A330-200 housed the seating experiences and onboard services. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.